So, what are we making?
We're making the health. Blah blah blah. Do it again.
No way. Go. We're making.
We're making healthy chana masala for the working girl.
Yes, for all the ladies out there that have to work, cook, clean, take care of kids, take care of a husband, take care of house, take care of job, take care of everything. We need to make fast, healthy food, right?
Organic.
And organic. Very good. Yay.
Out all the shell.
Yes.
And then prepare in chopped and diced.
Chopped and diced.
Chopped and diced.
Very good. Okay. What are you doing?
Just heating up the oil. We put about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil.
Oh, coconut
That's
oil.
it, coconut oil. Make it nice and hot.
Yes. Drop it like it's hot. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
And we add
Okay.
the onions in there.
What did you use? Organic tomato paste. You got some organic tomato paste. And you added some water.
Just add a little water to make it a little like gravy-ish.
Yes.
I'm gonna let this cook down and simmer for a minute.
Nice.
I love Channa Masala. I'm very excited. I'm salivating.
Okay, now.
Okay, next we're gonna add the organic garbanzo beans. It's really easy. It's available at Trader Joe's.
Yes.
It's much easier to do this when you're, say, working. You don't have time to soak them overnight. It's a quick and easy way to... We're gonna add some Channa Masala powder.
What is in Channa Masala powder?
Good question.
Good question.
Coriander, dehydrated unripe mango, salt, white chili, red chili, cumin powder, muskmelon, pomegranate seed, dried ginger, blah, 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 a lot.
There's a lot of stuff that
A
makes
whole
it
lot.
so yummy and masala-y. I like it. It's very difficult for me not to salivate. Oh, what's that? What did you put?
Salt,
What salt?
Himalayan pink salt.
I love that salt. I love it.
On Chaat Masala, I have an extra box.
I don't know what to do with it.
Bro, you can put on everything. Pizza, fruit.
Pizza!
Pizza is the best.
Chaat masala on pizza? So you put chaat masala in the chana masala.
I put chaat masala in the chana masala, chaat
Hey.
masala in the chana masala,
Hey.
chaat masala in the chana
Hey.
masala.
Hey. Is it ready yet?
Oh, no, not yet. It's going to be ready in about 7 minutes. It just has to cook and the spices have to go in.
Where are they going in?
Inside there.
I'm so...
Really
What else are you making?
Dal.
Oh,
dal.
what kind of dal?
Pili dal.
Pili dal? I said dial. What kind of dial? Dial your dal. So more onions.
Yes, more onions. Always onions. Always onions. Us Indians love onions.
Yes, I also love onions.
Onions are very good.
I love onions so much. I love onions. And onions love me.